Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in this tutorial I'm going to share with you a very cool AI tool that you can use to create different kind of UI designs like this, and you can customize them to different formats and different looks. Okay, so I've used this to create a simple website that you can see with different functions, different features. This is a simple website and it's completely free to use, to design, to preview, to even publish, and even to download it on your PC. It's done with none other than one of the coolest Google Stitch. Okay, so you can just go ahead and just search for Google Stitch, just like so, Google Stitch AI, and it will bring you over here. You can search for stitch.withgoogle.com also as an alternative, and it will bring you over here. It can help you to design anything. Okay, UI designs are better. You can design applications, you can design websites for your mobile phones and for PC. Okay, so all you need is to come over here and define what you want to design, and then you can enhance the prompt with this feature, or you can upload files or upload a URL to serve as a guide for what you want to create. After that, you can specify whether it is going to be for mobile or for PC, and then down here you define your design systems. You can do that from an imported design, or you can use the design.md, or you can use preset templates down here that you can see quite a lot of them if you have a defined system design that you want to use, or branding design. Okay, so down here you specify the model as well. I use 3 Flash, which is the highest, and then you can have direct interaction also if you want to create. So let's say we design something simple. I said design a simple academic website for an international conference in engineering innovation. So this can be simple, or if you want to enhance it, you can come down in here and say enhance the prompt, and with just that simple click you can see it has enhanced my prompt. You say design a clean and professional academic website for an international engineering innovation conference featuring clear sections from program to speakers to registration to contact and so on. Employ modern minimal aesthetics with a focus on readability, accessibility, using a professional color palette of blue and grays, for example, with subtle accent colors, and a sans serif typeface like a Roboto or Open Sans. These are text fonts that you can use. Highlight key conference details prominently and ensure a straightforward navigation experience with the sticky header, and include interactive elements like downloadable schedule and an online registration with some clear calls to action. Okay, so let's say I'm going to do that for a web, and let's say I'm going to keep this at default. Let's choose a design for me, and then I'm going to use the Flash. I'm going to go ahead and hit on enter. So just that simple click, you'll be able to see that my Google Stitch is now working on the tasks that I have given it. You can see it is developing content, it is going through and then designing the website as my expectation. You can see engineering innovation conference. It has selected a design for the branding. You can see in here, and when you click in here, you'll be able to see this is the design that it has taken for me, and I think I'm happy with it, except if you want to use something different. So defining a shared interface, now it is crafting the detail flow. Okay, this is step by step. You can be able to just give some time and you'll be able to see the sections that it is going to design. So this is completely free, so that's why I'm projecting it, as I found it very useful, and it is open source for anybody who is trying to generate or create content around maybe website or UI development. You can use this as a platform to practice your skills and be able to design different kind of apps and websites. So let's just give this some seconds to be able to see what it comes up with and how we can use it to enhance or to preview what it has designed for us. Alright, and as you can see right now, it has crafted the 4x4 details of all the pages that we need. You can see IEI 2024. You can see the pages that it has generated, the home pages if you're interested. This is the home page, this is the speakers page, and so on. If you want, you can connect this and preview with an instant prototype so that you can be able to see others. And if you like, you can edit any of the section. You can regenerate also instant prototype variations, regenerate and do all of these features. And if you like, you can edit or annotate or change the design system as well. So let's say for now I want to connect and preview with instant prototype. So with just that click, to give you access to some selected prototype that you can be able to play around with. So this is the screen in prototype view. Okay, so you have the option to navigate around and test them. So this is speakers page, you can see the details, and this is registration contact us page. You can see everything in here. If you like, you can edit also, like I said. Okay, if you like, you can go to the edit feature and you can be able to click and edit any section accordingly. You can connect to screen, you can edit the text that you have here, you can change with AI, you can imagine a new screen from here as well. Down here also you can change the view from PC to mobile view, and then you can reload and do some other basic editings in here. So this is the detail of the pages. This is the conference program, this is the online registration page, this is the home page, this is the feature speakers, and so on. So if you like, also you can check out this, you can preview in new tab as well, or you can do that in desktop or tablet format. You can just click to preview. Okay, let's say if you like this, you can as well use it, or let's say we can just preview it on a very fresh different page. So you can see this is the complete website. Okay, it's editable, but this is the preview section detailing all of what we need in this particular conference, okay, including the number of days that the registration is going to close. You can view, submit your paper here, or view the schedules in here. You can check about the speakers and so on if you are interested. So you can even click to register now to start registration. So one thing to note is that if you like what you see in the design in here, you can also prompt it to change some things if you're interested, or down here you can come to export, or you can come to more. If you are a Figma user, you can export, you can copy this to Figma, or you can export it directly or download it on your PC. It'll be a zip file that you can continue with the editings offline. Okay, or you can just go ahead and click on export. You can export from all of these platforms, you Lovable, MCP. The Figma user, you just click, or you can just click to download the zipped file, and you can just click on export, and the whole website is going to be downloaded, and you can upload it somewhere else to continue with your editing. So Google Stitch is really truly powerful. It gives you the option to do a lot in terms of the preview and the editings. You can have other features as well down here that you can click to actually edit any section of the website that you have created. So just go ahead, give in the prompt, enhance it, and see how you can use this to your own advantage to create some fantastic websites, both for mobile and for your PC. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.